On this video, I'm going to be going over what luxury watches are safe buys in today's market. Our sponsor for this video is Temple a Dream. For a chance to win a Rolex with as little as $40, click on the link below and enter one of their prize competitions. Limited tickets are available. So it's no secret or surprise that in 2019, the watch market has taken a heavy lift and prices have gone a little bit out of control. I did an earlier video, maybe about a month and a half ago, on how the prices have declined. So some people have been asking me and emailing which watches are safe to buy. So I want to go over a couple of genres or models, we'll say, that relatively have been unaffected in this whole craze and are overall safe buys. So the first one is Rolex in two-tone, has pretty much stayed stable throughout this whole bubble in the market. The Datejust in 41mm has been pretty much unaffected. Prices rose very little earlier in the year, but overall have stayed stable. The Yacht-Master two-tone, Yacht-Master II, same thing, it's been unaffected. The price has not changed in the last 3 years. So both of these, for example, are safe buys in today's market. You could buy it and not worry about it. You know, if you're looking to buy a watch right now that's gonna rise and increase in price, highly doubt it. Buy it because you like it, buy it because it's a safe buy. Another safe buy in today's market is the AP 42mm offshore. It's been virtually untouched as well. These watches have been selling anywhere from $15,000 to $16,000 for the last 4 years. Prices have not even been affected with the whole change in this last 12 months in the watch market. So if you're looking again to buy something that holds value, that you're getting a great price and a discount from retail, the 42mm and offshore, whether it's a navy, a safari, a volcano, a black themes, so on and so forth, are also great buys. So last but not least for me would be the Rolex Presidential. I mean, I just can't think of any other watch that's more stable, period, overall, than the Presidential. Doesn't matter whether you're buying a 40mm or the discontinued Day 2 41 also, or even the 36mm, they are stable. They don't really move and they are not affected. You see, the Day 2 has been rising the last 4 years, but it has not had a kick and it won't have a kick in the market. These are all safe buys in today's market. The only time when I would say that any of these watches that I mentioned are not safe buys is if you're paying full retail. I mean, if you want to go ahead and pay full retail, technically you are okay. But if you want to have minimal loss in your purchase, you're going to go pre-owned and you're going to have a stable purchase throughout the life of owning these watches. So keep this in mind. The watch market in general is pretty stable when you compare it to other hobbies or other assets which are just as expensive and devalue just as much, okay? Or even way more. But if you're looking to buy some watches right now that you're gonna have for a little while, and people are calling me all the time, they're saying, hey Eric, should I buy one of these Hulks right now at $15,000? I mean, honestly, I don't know what to tell them. The market price right now for a Hulk is $15,000. Will it stay there? I don't know. I mean, I wish I had a crystal ball. I would have bought all of them 5 years ago when they were going for $6,000 or $7,000. But overall, just safe buys. As I mentioned before, Rolex two-tones. In the Yacht-Master II, for example, and the Datejust, pretty strong, no effect in the market. AP 42mm, historically, those watches haven't even changed, as opposed to their little brother, the Royal Oaks, where those took a skyrocket. They went from 12,000 all the way to 22. You see, I don't know if I feel comfortable paying $22,000 for a Royal Oak 41 self-winding. But the Presidential overall is that one watch that for me, doesn't matter if you're buying a 1992 or a 2020, stable in the market. If you buy it at a discount, pre-owned, so on and so forth. So keep in mind that this video could be an hour and a half long and we can go over hundreds of watches that can technically be safe buys. I'm really just trying to point out which are the most popular watches that sell the most often. I do sell watches for a living, so I do know what people ask for. That are the safe buys. Yes, there's some pre-owned Panerais and some, pre-owned watches out there that you can buy, some pre-owned tag heuers, stuff like that, where you can get good deals and they're relatively safe. But I'm talking more about the higher end, more popular demand watches are safe. So feel free to comment below if there's any watches that you feel might be safe in today's market. And don't forget to hit the notifications bell till it looks like this, or otherwise you're not gonna be seeing the latest videos. And if you like this video, please like and share. Also, subscribe to our channel. My name is Eric, this is Watch Your Style.